Hello everyone, this is Amit Latigra. In this video, I am demonstrating you several patterns based on a triangle, which I discussed in my previous video. In previous video, in detail, I explained how we can display triangle based pattern on screen where user is entering number of rows. If user is entering number of rows is 4, then we are displaying pattern like this. So please refer to my previous video for its detailed flowchart and Python program. In this video, I want to begin with displaying numbers on screen. Like here, I want to display 1, then 2, then 3, then 4, and so on. So this is the first pattern which I want to produce. In second pattern, what I want to do, I want to produce patterns with alphabets like A, then B, C, then D, E, F, and so on. And third pattern I want to generate with alphabets like keeping same character in respective row. So these three programs looks very similar to one which I discussed in previous video. Instead of displaying this asterisk, here we are displaying some digits and here alphabets, as simple as this. So logic is very simple here. Here we are displaying 1, then 2, then 3, 3 times, 4, 4 times, and it is nothing but our row number. It is our row number. That is 1, 2, 3, 4. It's nothing but the row number. And how many number of times? That is also depends on the row number. So the same Python program, if we can change a little bit, this is my Python program. In detail, I explained you in previous video. Let's see its output first. Number of rows 4, and I'm getting asterisk on screen. Now here I want to display 1, then 2, 2, 3, 3, 3, and in fourth row 4 times 4. So here we are displaying basically asterisk. This 1, 2, 3, 4 is nothing but our row number. So let's change it to row. Let's save and let's execute program. And this is what our expected output, which we want here. So 1, then 2, 2, 3, 3, 3, 4, 4, 4, and so on. Next, what I want to do, I want to print second pattern where I need to display characters on screen like A, B, C, D, E, F. So here we require a concept of ASCII code. Like capital A is considered as ASCII number 65. So 65 number, if we convert into character, then CHR in Python, then it produce capital A on screen. 65, if we change it to 66 by adding a 1, and if we convert it into a char, it gives capital B. So here it's very simple. Whatever we are displaying on screen, we need to begin with capital A. After displaying that on screen, we need to increase the value by 1 to get the next alphabet, and so on. So this is a simple logic. This is our program. This loop structure remains as it is. What we need to print is character. So this character I want to initialize with 65, that is capital A. And here if I convert it into a character using CHR, then it is going to display capital A on screen. Now here it is display. It is going to display all capital A. Let's check. Now I want to change it to B, then C, then D, then E, then F. Meaning after display the value, what I want to do, I want to increase value of character by 1. So that next time will become 66, 67, and so on. Let's clear the screen first and let's execute program. A, B, C, D, E, F. This is what exactly what we require. Instead of capital A, if we require small a, then its ASCII value is 97. Just one change here, 97. Let's execute code and it shows all lowercase alphabets. Let's consider capital A again, and let's check the next pattern where we require capital A, then 2 times small b, 2 times small c. So here after printing character on screen, we are adding a value. Here adding a value that is 1 to go to the next character, but here slight change in logic. After changing a row, we need to add 1 to the existing character. In this case, as soon as we are changing the row as well as column, in either cases, we are adding 1 to the character. As simple as this. So here, this character statement where we are adding 1, it comes to the outer loop. Once the inner loop is over, we are adding 1. We are going to the new line and then next row. So this statements interchangeably you can use without any difference. So let's clear the screen and let's check output. Number of rows 5, A, B, B, C, 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 D, 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 and so on. As I said, this statement order is not important because here we are adding 1, we are not displaying anything, and then we are moving to the new line. So output remains same. Number of rows 5 and the same output. So in this video, I have explained 3 different patterns based on my previous video. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching this video. Have a good time ahead.